some of my girlies do not know when and how to use this Skin1004 Ampoule. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use this product and when to use this product, because I had a lot of you girlies ask me how to use this product, when to use this product in this my Skin1004 video that I made a while back, and I said, oh, why don't I just create a video for you guys and show you how to use these popular serums from Skin1004, because I want you girlies to know how to use them. So let's get into the video. Hey loves, welcome back to the channel. Let's start with this one. This is the Skin1004 Centella Ampoule, right? I'm not going to go into details on the ingredient list and all of that. If you need all of that details, go check out this video I made. It has the breakdown and everything, and I really want you guys to go check out that video because you would learn a lot from there. This ampoule contains what we call Madagascar Centella, right? And Centella is known for its soothing properties. It's very good in helping to calm the skin of any irritation, to soothe the skin. And so if you have things like redness, acne, inflamed acne, your skin barrier is just everywhere, this is one product you should actually reach out for. While this is the Madagascar Centella Tone Brightening Capsule Ampoule. So this ampoule contains what we call Centella and also Madagascar. And what this ampoule is made for is to help to brighten your skin and also calm your skin. But the major goal of this ampoule is to help to brighten your skin because of the ingredient list. So compared to this one will help to just calm your skin. This doesn't contain any brightening properties. It doesn't contain any brightening ingredients. So you will not get any form of brightening from this, or rather it will help to calm your skin 100%. But this one will help to brighten your skin very well and also give you little calming benefits. I also had a lot of questions of people asking, can these two products be used together? Absolutely yes. In capital letters, you can actually pair both of them together. They work great together, and especially if you have acne prone skin, or your skin is easily inflamed, or your skin is constantly over the roof, it is very advisable to pair them together, because this would help to calm your skin of any inflammation and irritation, while this will be brightening your skin. They do not contain any ingredients that will clash each other. This contains pure Centella, which can be 100% paired with the Madagascar in this one, and also be paired with the Centella that this serum actually contains. Does that make sense, girlies? So the next big question that I got was, when do I use these ampoules? When? This Centella ampoule, it is safe to be used morning or night. If you choose to use it in the morning, chef's kiss. If you choose to use it at night, great. But if you're using it in the morning, ensure you pair with your sunscreen. Of course, even though it doesn't contain any active ingredients, it's always great to always use your sunscreen when you're going out during the day. While this ampoule, this one that contains Madagascar, this can also be used morning and night. But if you have both of them together, it's best to use this in the morning and use this at night. I'll tell you why. Even though this can be used morning and night, I would advise or recommend that you use it at night, because nighttime is when your skin rejuvenates. During the day, you might apply this and go out in the sun. Let's put it on a scale of 10. If you apply it in the morning, you might get benefits of 9 compared to when you use it at night and you sleep, no sun, your skin repairs itself, you will get benefits of 10. You would see great changes, best results if you do it like this. So the third question that you girlies asked was, if I'm using them together, which one comes first? These two serums have different consistency. This one is very lightweight. It feels like water, while this is slightly thicker. And if you've also seen my video, this video where I talked about how to layer your product, if you haven't, go check that out. I explained in that video that you should always layer your thinner product before the thicker ones, because this allows your product to penetrate better into your skin. If you apply the thicker one before the thinner one, it can close up the pathway for the thinner consistency product to go into your skin. So with what I've said, ensure you apply this thinner one first, because it has a lighter consistency before this product. The last question that I had was, what do we pair these ampoules with? What can I use it with and all of that? This one that contains 100% Centella asiatica, this can be paired with literally any skincare product, because Centella is one product that it doesn't contain any active ingredients that would clash with any ingredients. So you can pair this with vitamin C, you can pair this with your AHAs, you can pair this with your exfoliants, glycolic acid, lactic acid, mandelic acid, tranexamic acid, kojic acid. You can pair it with literally anything, and it is great if you even pair it with those active ingredients, which is best for which skin. So this Skin1004 Centella Ampoule is best for people with sensitive skin, sensitized skin, irritated skin, acne prone skin. You know, those active ingredients, sometimes they can be sensitive or irritate your skin, but if you put this first, if you apply this first or pair them in the same routine, this is going to help to calm your skin and reduce that irritation from that active products that you're about to use. While this one that contains the tone brightening capsule, this one, be careful with what you pair this with, right? You can pair this with things like niacinamide, moderate percentage of vitamin C, anything other than 10%. Be very, very careful because it might irritate your skin, because it has Madagascar, which is a calm brightening ingredient, but it could still clash with some of the active ingredients that you have. Lastly, I know I said last question, but you guys also asked one question like, which is best for which skin? So this Skin1004 Centella Ampoule is best for people with sensitive skin, sensitized skin, irritated skin, acne prone skin, inflamed skin. This will do great wonders for you. Then this is best for people with dull skin, who needs to brighten their skin, dull complexion and all of that stuff. This is your girl. And if you're using just this Skin1004 Ampoule, your routine should be like this: cleanse your skin, then if you have a toner, you go in with your toner. If you don't, skip it. Then next you go in with this ampoule. Then if you have another serum, maybe like a dark spot serum, you can go in with that. If you don't, skip it. Then next you go in with your moisturizer. After your moisturizer, your sunscreen if you're using it during the day. Then if you're using it at night, the same process, but the only thing you just take out is your sunscreen, because you don't need your sunscreen at night. Then if you're using this ampoule, this is the brightening one. Cleanse your skin, of course. Then if you have a toner, go in with your toner. If you don't, skip it. Then if you have other lighter ampoules that you want to use first, you can use them. If not, move down to this. Then after this, if you have other products you want to apply, like other dark spots serums or other serums that are thicker than this, you can apply, right? But be careful of what you pair this with. Then next you go in with your moisturizer, and lastly with your sunscreen, right? If you're using it during the day. But if you're using it at night, of course, just skip out your sunscreen, because you do not use sunscreen at night. Know what these ampoules can do and what they cannot do. And like I also shared in my previous video, these ampoules would not change your skin overnight. With consistent and gradual use, that is when you would see results. But I can tell you that they work, but just with time, you would definitely see results. And reduce your expectations. Do not just think that these ampoules are going to do lifetime changes on your skin. No, it's a gradual process. If you have other questions regarding these ampoules, please feel free to ask. If it needs me to create another video, I'm definitely going to create them, because I love that you guys are asking the questions, because it shows that you guys are enjoying the video, and that's why you're asking questions. So thank you so much for everyone that has watched that video. And if you haven't seen that video, there's a link here, so you go check it out, or I'll leave a link in the description. So thank you so much, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you have these ampoules, or which is your favorite, or which of them you've been using, or if you've been using both of them in your routine. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends, your family, and all of the girlies out there who have been confused on how to use the Skin1004 Ampoule. Thank you so much to each one of you that have been watching my video, for the love and the support. I have a lot of other videos that I'm sure you girlies are definitely going to enjoy, like this one on here. So I'll see you guys in this video. Don't go away.